Using Robinhood but want full control of your crypto? Here's how to withdraw it to your own wallet. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Second, tap the crypto tab, then select the coin you want to withdraw. Third, tap the send or withdraw button depending on your app version. Fourth, copy your wallet public address from your external wallet, MetaMask, Ledger, or Trust Wallet, and paste it into Robinhood. Step 5. Enter the amount, review the network fees, and confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your crypto will now move safely from Robinhood to your personal wallet. And fast. It'll probably take about 3-4 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. And good luck on your crypto journey.